Hey, what's up guys, Greg H here, and in today's video I have a guitar pedal. Now this is a multi-effects pedal, but the difference with this is it allows you to use your iPhone with it to program multi-effects into the one pedal. So you don't need multiple pedals for the same job or different jobs. You can just use this and then program it to whatever effects you want. It's called the IStomp. It's made by DigiTech. What it basically allows you to do is take your phone, anything up to a 4GS with the old 30-pin dock connector, and plug it into the pedal, use the app, and then load the effects onto the pedal and then use the pedal. That's basically what it is. I bought this from Merchant City Music for £50. They were originally £80 or £100 even, but I managed to pick this up for £50. Really good buy, to be honest. I mean, if you don't want to carry multiple effects pedals on your guitar rig or whatever, you can just use this. It will only hold one effect at a time, so you'll have to load in effects separately. That's the only downside. But as far as I'm aware, I'm only going to use one effect on it anyway, and I can change it pretty quick. It takes about 30 seconds. But what we'll do is we'll just unbox it and let you guys see it. There it is there. Let's put it off to the side now. Here's all your health and safety manual. It does come with stickers as well, actually, for the different types of effects pedals you do have on the app. There's some of the names of them there: Redline, bass, total recall, delay, that kind of thing. You do actually get blank ones as well, so you can write on it what kind of effect it is and just stick it to where the IStomp logo is. Basically, that's how you do that. Right. And underneath that is your power supply and your cable, I believe. I'll just have a look. This one should be your power supply. Open it up. There you go. Just your standard 9V DC. I mean, you can rig this into your existing pedal board rig if you do use your own power supply. It's the same type of connection. It does come with different power connectors for where you live in the world, which is handy. And this will be the cable. There we go. That is your end to plug into the side of the pedal. You guys can see that there. And that is the old 30-pin dock connector type. You guys can see that there. Like I said, guys, you will have to buy an adapter if you do have an iPhone 5 upwards. I personally had to buy an adapter. Had to buy this one from Apple. Couldn't get one off eBay that actually worked. Basically, you just fit it on like that, and then take the pedal into the side of the pedal, like so, and then that plugs into your iPhone or iPad. I'll just go over the connections here first. That is your various controls. Not all effects use all 4 controls. Some use 2, some use 3, or occasionally a couple of ones use all 4. But the effects are now free. They used to be paid, but they're now free, which is grand. So you can just download it. I'll show you the app in a moment, just showing the inputs. That is your standard input there, or input 2 if you have 2 guitars sitting on the stage already, plugged in. You can just pick up one of the that's your output mono, which is standard output, or your output 2. Basically, this allows you to do a stereo reverb effect through 2 amps if you wish to do, or you could use this as an AB, which is basically using 2 amps at once. If you like mixing the sound of 2 guitar amps or a guitar amp and a bass amp, what you can do, or what I did, was put this on a delay effect and basically turned everything off, so there's no delay whatsoever, and used the last knob as an EB, which allowed me to blend what was coming out of input 2, where it be a guitar amp or a bass amp, so you can blend the volume between the two. I mean, it depends which one you're using, and it gives you an EB. So you switch it on, would give you both amps on at once, or you switch it off, would give you your standard through to your 1 amp. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll show you the app I have on my iPad. This is the app here. As you can see, DigiTech app. That is a lot of the effects you get. Basically, you can scroll through. I mean, there's hundreds and they're all free, which is good. There's effects, fuzz, delays, reverbs, choruses, you name it. Pretty much it's all in there. You even get a stop, sound off basically, which allows you to do a stutter if you're really quick, or just to cut your pedal out completely so there's no sound going to the amp. You basically do is you take your connector, well, my adapter here, you plug it in, and you basically select a pedal. Say I wanted to put this pedal on it. You can play them so you can hear what they sound like. So that gives you a rough idea, and you can switch them on and off. See, that's how it sounds without it. That's how it sounds with it. And you can select the colour. There's a small light on here just at the side. You can select the colour you want it to be, and basically you load that into the pedal and it will light up, and it usually takes about 30 seconds. It's very quick, and you're ready to go. Like I said guys, there's only one effect at once you can load unfortunately, but there's a multitude of effects here. I mean, you can see there's quite a few. I mean, you can just choose for these, but like I said, it takes 30 seconds to load. It wouldn't work in a gig situation. You don't want an iPad on a sound stage. In case something happens, you load this up beforehand. I'd love if you could program it to put in a couple of effects so you could change them about, but it's only one at a time. This is just a video just basically showing you what it can do. It's a good buy. Like I said, I picked this up from Merchant City Music. It cost me £50. Tried it out a few times. Good pedal. The effects are really good. Really, you can control quite a few parts of them. I'd advise you, if you not want to pay a lot of money for hundreds of effects, you just want to try it out, I'd advise you to pick this up if you still can get it for £50. It's a good buy. I mean, I use it in my guitar rig all the time. Alright guys, that was a brief look and unboxing of the iStomp by DigiTech. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button. Alright, cheers guys.